Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So prominent gospel artist all went to Zana as his home to pay tribute for losing such a very prominent figure in the gospel and Christian community. You guys, now artists such as Dumi Kokstad, Ayandan Danzi, and Tina Zungu went there to pay their tribute and respects through this very emotional and heartbreaking, also heart-moving song. You guys, condolences to the family, I must say, and may Mama Zanalemboga's soul just rest in peace. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.